If you're looking for a GPS location changer for iPhone or Android, you've probably come across Fonelora Location Changer. But is it actually worth paying for? Is it safe to use? And does it really work as advertised? In this video, I'll test its features, performance, and security to help you decide whether it's the right GPS spoofing tool for you. So, what exactly is Fonelora Location Changer? It's a desktop GPS location changer available for both Windows and Mac, designed to work with iPhone and Android devices. With just a few clicks, you can change your device's GPS location without jailbreaking your iPhone or rooting your Android device. Whether you want to protect your location privacy, test location-based apps, or explore different places virtually, Fonelora offers a simple and user-friendly solution. It supports the latest iOS 26 and Android 16, requires no jailbreak or root, and offers much more than basic location teleportation. Besides teleport mode, you also get multi-spot routes, joystick control, realistic mode, track mode, and a built-in cooldown timer to help create more natural location changes. Whether you're using social apps or location-based games, Fonelora gives you a smoother and more flexible GPS spoofing experience. A common question is Fonelora safe to use? Fonelora is designed with both security and a natural user experience in mind. It includes a built-in cooldown timer, which helps you avoid making unrealistic location changes too frequently. Realistic speed variation simulates more natural movement instead of constant speeds, while Bluetooth hardware emulation improves compatibility with supported devices. The software is also virus-checked and digitally signed, so you can download and install it with confidence from the official website. Now, open Fonelora Location Changer on your PC and connect your device using a USB cable. Once your device is detected, you'll see two options, Game Mode and General Mode. For this demonstration, I'll choose General Mode. Here, you'll find three main ways to change your GPS location. First is Teleport Mode. Simply search for any destination, click Move, and your location will instantly change. If you're jumping between distant places, like from New York to Tokyo in just a few seconds, it can look unrealistic to location-based apps. That's where the built-in cooldown timer comes in. It helps you follow more realistic travel intervals before changing locations again, making your movement appear more natural. Next is multi-spot mode. Here, you can place multiple points on the map and choose a movement speed such as walking, cycling, or driving. Fonelora will then simulate your journey between those locations in real time. You also get two useful route options: Loop Route, which continuously repeats the same route in a loop, and Repeat Route, which automatically restarts the route from the beginning after it reaches the final destination. To make movement even more realistic, you can enable Realistic Mode, which slightly varies your movement speed, while Track Mode keeps your current location centered on the map so you can easily follow your journey. Finally, there's Joystick Mode, which is my personal favorite, especially for gaming. It gives you a virtual joystick that lets you control your movement in real time using your keyboard or mouse. Simply move in any direction, adjust the movement speed whenever needed, and enjoy smooth, precise control over your virtual location. If you'd like to try Fonelora Location Changer, click the link in the description to download it from the official website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.